Unlock the power of content reuse and build a more dynamic Squarespace site by embedding sections of one page into another. First, you'll need to identify the section of your page that you want to embed elsewhere. Let's say you have a compelling testimonial section on your About Use page that you'd like to feature on your homepage as well. To achieve this, we'll leverage Squarespace's powerful custom code capabilities. Navigate to the page where you want to embed this section. This could be your homepage, a landing page, or any other page within your site. Now, open the editor for your target page and click the plus icon to add a new block from the available options. Select the code block. This is where we'll input the magic. Within the code block settings, you'll need to specify the URL of the page containing the section you wish to embed. Then, you'll provide a unique identifier for that specific section, while Squarespace doesn't have a direct embed section feature. We can achieve this by referencing the page and section using a simple HTML structure within the code block. For example, you'll reference the page where the content resides, and then point to the specific section you want to pull in. The exact implementation within the code block will depend on how that section was originally built on its source page. But the principle is to instruct Squarespace to fetch and display that content. This method allows you to maintain a single source of truth for your content. If you update the testimonial section on your About Use page, it will automatically reflect on your homepage and any other page where you've embedded it. This is fantastic for keeping your website consistent and making updates a breeze. By employing this technique, you're enhancing your website's modularity, improving content management efficiency, and building the foundation for truly interconnected and flexible pages. Start embedding sections today and watch your Squarespace website become even more powerful.